Vaporfly Next Percent 3s right here. Holy cow. Back to the men's right here where they do have the mellows. You won't see Samoas that cheap anyway. Oh, yo, do got the MB slides right here. New Balance 574s. Starting off at the East LA Community Store. They got 40% off the back wall here. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s right here. Holy cow, look at this. Look at this, holy cow. Shout out to the homie Robert. We're chopping it up. We're chopping it up for a cool minute. Art, I'm gonna grab these for one of my workers. She runs marathons. Got these going for 105 right there. Air Max 90s going for 65. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $90. Remember 40 off on top. Luca 2s going for 55. Got these going for 105 right there. Air Max 90s going for 65. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $90. Remember 40 off on top. Luca 2s going for 55. In the women's section, $60 for the Jordan 1 slips right here. Invincible Run 3s. Remember you get an extra 40% off. Phantom React Flyknits, $73. Smaller sizes, got plenty of these, 110. Back in the men's, $60 for Tatums. Remember you get 40 off on top, holy cow. Comes out to $36. All right, I'm getting tired of whispering. Let's pay for this and get the hell out of here. Came out to $75. These, I think, MSRP's $265 or something like that. So almost $200 off. Man, I hope these fit. This is for one of my workers. She's running a marathon and half marathon next few months. So yeah, hopefully they fit. Cause with me, they seem to fit a little big. So hopefully they fit. All right, now we got the Foot Locker outlet where we get 50% off pretty much the entire store. It's been one of my favorite spots lately. $65 for the 11 low IEs. Back in the day, they didn't allow discounts on the Jordans, but now they do, even for the retros. They did say like randomly certain things don't pop up because they just scan it on the computer. They said certain things don't. But you do have to ask. Omnis, $60 for Omnis right here. Got Answers right here, down to $65 as well. EYBLs of the Jordan 37s right here, $60 freaking dollars. An Ultra Boost going for $60. 40s, $75. They're starting to even get Hokas. First time I've seen the Hokas. The Clifton Suedes right here that I've never seen. $170. You get them for $50 off. Question pumps right here, $40. Buttload of RSX. These are going for $40 freaking dollars. Even the Diamond Supply Company one right here. $40 for the Zion 3s. You're never gonna find it for that cheap anywhere. Comfort's going for $40. Gill Zero is also $40. Sizing definitely gonna be an issue. It may or may not have your size, but definitely worth checking. $40 for NMDs if you need to glow in really dark situations. Rachi's going for $40. Zoom Freak 5s. Got trainers right here. Scratchy top 10s right here. And look at this. Look at this. $37.50. $37.50. Holy cow. $37.50. I don't need them. This would be dumb. All right, I did talk to one of the workers. Now, this one's not ringing up. I did tell you guys, I think I already told you guys, right? That just certain things just don't ring up. And they're not in charge of it. You know, they just ring it up and it either shows up or it doesn't. This is one of the few that doesn't. Dang it. I'm mad at you, Foot Locker pricing person. Dang it, that's not included yet. All right, I told one of the workers, I was like, you know what? I'm going to wait a month, see if that goes on sale eventually. Another section that's hella fire is this section right here. You get an extra 50% off, so 50% off, and then an extra 50% off. So this entire wall right here of apparel, 75% off. That includes these Pro Standard Lakers hoodies right here. A bunch of people are gonna be like, dang it, I should have bought one because yeah, they're $100. They're down to $25. $25 for Pro Standard Lakers hoodie right here. They got these Pittsburgh jackets. Oh, they threw these on because I don't think these were originally, right? This is Team Apparel, but it is hella nice. It's $185 right here. Oh, this is New Era. That's New Era Team Apparel. And then they threw this one on here as well. This one is so dope. This is the New Era. This is the Alpha Industries, which is the really, really nice one. Holy cow. And this is just a size medium, $229. So that's what, 56 bucks? Holy cow. They got the matching pants for the Pro Standard hoodies and stuff right there. They got Locker brand hoodies and stuff right here. And hella cheap, man. 75% off, 45 bucks. So it's what, $11.50 or something like that. And they got these pants right here. This is Locker brand as well. These look huge though. Yeah, triple XL. This is a smaller one right here. This is like a medium. Oh, this is small right here. That one's pretty dope. But these ain't bad. I'm telling you, the material, not too bad. They even have the lace tips. The aglets are also metal. 55 for those. Black hoodie right here, $55. 70% cotton, 30% polyester. They got long sleeve shirts. They got short sleeve shirts. And I'm not even gonna go through the prices, individual price of each one, because it's so damn cheap anyways. It's so damn cheap. Team Lithuania basketball shirts right here, 96, what the hell? That's kind of interesting. So got Adidas hoodies right here going for 75 off. 8-bit t-shirts right here. And these are cheap, $30. 75 off, like I said, the price doesn't even matter when it's 75% off. It's not like all this stuff is like crazy expensive at the beginning. Tentacupo shirts right here. The dry fit shirts go for $10. Nike long sleeve, Nike short sleeve, more Nike hoodies right here. They got Nike, I don't think that's tech fleece. I think that's the recycled material right here, but $30. $30 for Nike hoodie right here. This is dry fit and everything. And the Flight hoodies right here, or they're the sweatshirts. Actually, they're all just smalls because all the mediums and all those sizes have been taken. That's why 75% off. Back to the men's right here, where they do have the mellows. They do got the mellow ones, MB ones. These are 11.5 on display. $30 freaking dollars. Samoa's down to 30 as well. So I got the black ones. You won't see Samoa's that cheap anyway. That also includes the superstars. You're never gonna see superstars any cheaper. $30 freaking dollars. The Puma XLs right here, starting to see them for 35 bucks. I'm starting to get sad that I'd seen those again. Dang it. Yo, dude, got the MB slides right here. Go for 15 freaking dollars. Holy cow. $15 Converse. Reeboks right here going for 15 bucks. Adidas towel shoes right here go for 20. Got some black Chucks go for $20. Some more go for 20 right there, and then 20 right there as well. All right, I don't think anybody watching's looking for these dude shoes, but they got them. Trying to be thorough. But none of y'all looking for these, right? New Balance 574s? Are you serious? Are you freaking serious, bro? This is a 10.5 right here. $20? 20 freaking dollars for these? Oh my God. I really like these 574s. I'm not into these. I'm not into this one. I don't know if it's because it's all just regular buck leather. I don't know. One of my boys, this is his favorite shoe right now, so I might have to grab one for him. They're just too cheap. There's a 10.5 right here. So got Roma's going for $50, which means 25, right? Some top 10s as well. And they still got these Street Fighter Workout Plus right here. 20 bucks for those, man. My boy said no, but yeah, like I said, I don't like the material on these 574s. But for $20, oh my God, that's pretty much free. Holy cow. But I'm gonna let him go. Got too much stuff. Got more forums right here going for $25. Holy cow. Got metal lace tips on this one too. Wow. Did I show the itchy forums? Itchy forums going for $40. Then got the Under Armour right here with the Interesting lacing system, also down to 40. Got Jaws right here, 50 bucks. Got Zoom Freaks, got the Cosmic Unities, got NMDs, all kinds of stuff for insane cheap. Did I almost skip this section right here? Dude, got KDs, KD16s down to 60 freaking bucks. Definitely the cheapest price we've seen those. And then got Steph Curry's. Steph Curry's going for 55. Then 312s, got 312s, $60 a piece. The third time I'm saying it, they do have random stuff that aren't 50% off. It is just hella random. We got sneakers right here in the middle section. I think all of these are stuff on the wall though. You can see the sizes and stuff as well and grab your own pair. Forgot to show you guys these Jordans. I believe these are all going for 75% off as well. These, like I said, these Morant jerseys, Memphis Grizzlies Morant jerseys, these are going for 75% off. So I think they're 120. They're ringing up for $30, I believe. They still have medium, large, XL, double XL right there. And they got tank tops and stuff like that as well. But stuff like that, not too exciting. They do have a kids Foot Locker. They are technically not a part of the outlet. There's a regular Foot Locker, but they do have buy one, you get one 50% off a bunch of stuff. But they do have a few items at this regular Foot Locker that are kid sizes. If these dunks are showing up for $30, that's just free for some dunks. Definitely the cheapest I've ever seen that. Like I said, there are certain things that are just randomly not 50% off, like the Jordans I showed you guys. But yeah, look at this, $15 for Crocs, $15 Crocs. We got trainers here on the back side. Got the double bubble Air Max 90s, Trey 3s right here, Adidas Trey 3s, NMD S1s, and then some regular NMDs right there. Then they got a little women's section here in the back where you get 50% off. Jordan 2s right here. That's hella cheap. Sabrina's, Forces. The Air Forces were one of the ones that weren't 50% off, but I think they're included. As well as the Dunks right here. Dunk Low Twist going for 50. Air Max 1s right here. We've seen them on sale, but we haven't seen them that cheap. Like they got multiple Air Maxes, 50 bucks for those, and then another one of these double bubbles. And I can see why these are on sale because they look awful. Air Max 90s right here with all the studs and stuff like that on them. More of the Sabrinas right here. And Jordan 1 High OG women's right here. Got some Cortezes. Got Converse, more Converse. One with the flower on them. Dan Smiths. Got some Suedes. Gamma Forces right here. Down to $30. You're just never going to find anything that cheap, even at the outlets. Obviously, I'm at the Nike outlets. Got some more Dunks right here. Damn, this one's suede. This one's pretty nice. 115. Panda Dunks. I have a feeling this one and this one, I have a feeling those will not ring up 50%. Like I said, it's been random, but I'm pretty sure these won't ring up for 50 off. But the Cliftons right here, I have a feeling these do ring up. The Clifton Sues right here. Some suede. Oh, this is probably suede. Clifton Suedes. I got these dirty looking Converse right here. God, I can't stand that. I just can't stand it. Can't stand it. Go for 85. Then you do get the 50 off of those, I believe. And then got shorts right here. Jordan Apparel, Jordan shorts and stuff like that. And these are all 50% off. $60 to $30 for Jordan shorts. Got some tights and stuff like that. And then we do have cargo pants for women, $130 for those. And got sweatshirts and stuff like that. Got some bougie looking stuff. But yeah, they got Jordan apparel for 50 off. Few more things to show you guys. Got sweats. This is Foot Locker brand. $10. $10 freaking dollars. Got 5 different colorways. Going for 10 bucks. And you also get hats where you get an additional 50% off the markdown prices. Got Lakers hats right here. This is a Pro Standard, 15 bucks. Another Pro Standard one right here, going for 30, 50 off. Nets. Got Dodgers hats right here, $10. Got Kings hats going for $10. Got Dodgers hats, $10. Lakers trucker hats. Clippers trucker hats. They got some non-team hats on the bottom right there, pretty random. They got Lakers snapbacks, $37.50 off. These are all new era hats. Up top, $37 for those. Clippers right here. Got fitted hats, go for $44.50 off. You got all kinds of teams. Got Angels, got the Athletics, got San Francisco Giants, Rockies. These are all fitted hats. Oh, the Dodgers ones, you get the World Series emblem on the side. Yeah, $22, not bad, not bad. Now, one of my favorite places to buy Crocs, 50% off. Even if it's retail, 50% off. That's what's up. You got these weird looking Croc slides right there. Those are going for $17.50. These are down to $20. $20 for those. Even the ones that aren't marked down, at least you get 50 off. I think my kid has a couple of Crocs right now for his current size. All right, I heard from one of my boys. I was about to leave. He wants these in a 10.5. So I'm gonna grab them for him. If he doesn't like them, I'll keep them. They're not bad. They're not bad. All right, he's grabbing those shoes for me. Forgot to show you guys what I'm wearing. Moon Racers. I think these were one of the first shoes with React, Nike React on them. Super comfortable. Upper kind of looks like a Cortez. The bottom kind of looks like the, I think back in the day, what were they called? The Vapor. What the hell? I don't remember what they were called. The Vapor something. I forgot. Probably got paid more than I would now. I think I paid like 60. Wearing shorts, t-shirt, it's hot. It's hot. All right, Foot Locker outlet, definitely one of my favorite stores right now. Stole these for $20 freaking. Holy cow. That's for one of my boys, Georgie. All right, make sure you guys help boy up, press that like button, subscribe. And then here's a little preview of the next video, dude. Go to the clearance store. We've been finding some crazy steals here lately. First time we're seeing one of these at the clearance store. This is the type of stuff I'm talking about right here. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. $7.5, $50. These go for $25. Almost 80% off, almost saved 80%.